Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add Waveform Playback Bar in Spotify applications. So how to add Waveform Playback Bar in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Now here it is on the main Spotify display. Here I have played music. You can see the bar is still as usual. To add a waveform playback bar, we have to download it. The method is to move the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there is a marketplace icon. Tap the marketplace icon. Here you will enter the marketplace menu. Select extension. And scroll down to search Wave Playback Bar. Keep scrolling down until you find it. Now this has been found. To add to our Spotify, tap the download icon here. Tap reload. Now here it is still in the process of downloading and adding to Spotify. Now here we can see that the playback bars have changed to waveform playback bars. Waveform playback bar visualizes the sound wave of the song, makes it easier to navigate to a specific section, adds aesthetics, and helps understand the structure of the music. This feature is also useful for audio analysis and editing. So that's it. Tutorial how to add waveform playback bar in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.